Hello guys, this is Kevin Small Mechanic doing another service on a Toyota. Yep, this is I believe 2010, 2005. Gonna do headlights and put some rubber bushings here to make it a little bit bigger. And headlights in the front. Hello guys, so I already put them in. Put that one in, I put the other one over there in. See it? Now I gotta do the back. And I'm out of here. So I already put the harness, put the relay, and I put everything how it's supposed to. Fuse. I'm just telling the customer where he wants the lights. And over here, there's the switch over here. For the lights.